let's say you have a script uploaded and ready to go, but changes are being made to the script again. So before we do a breakdown, we can re-import a whole new version by going under More and selecting the option to import screenplay. We have multiple options to choose from, but let's select from the Files and Documents section in Yamdu and choose a different version of the script. Now we'll get an overview of the new script that's been uploaded. And we can easily see what the changes will look like by going directly into the Scenes section or clicking the Next button. So here, we can see the scenes that have been detected, what actions will be taken, and the final results after importing the new script or screenplay. We see here that the first scene, Ship Ramsey's foredeck, will also remain the same in the new script. But we have other options to manually input changes to the new script import, like foregoing a scene from being imported, creating a new scene, splitting the scene into two, or define the scene as a split scene. And if we select the scene, we can see the comparison between the original script and the new import. However, Scene 7 is not in the current script, so it'll be created as an entirely new one, and we can see that all in green. And the same goes for Scene 9. Moving on to sets, again we can see what's been detected, what would change, and the final result. And like before, we can manually set the actions, keep it the same as the current script, ignore it, or create a new set and make adjustments by giving it a custom name. And it'll be the same story for characters. We can keep the characters the same, ignore, or choose to create a new element. And all of the changes will be visible here under Results. If we go into the summary, we'll see what the current version of the script looks like, with 13 scenes, 7 sets, and 8 characters. And after the import of the new script, we'll have 15 scenes, 2 newly added and 10 updated, 8 sets, and 9 characters. But before we import the new script version, we'll also have some advanced settings to select from, like not removing characters from existing scenes, not adding new characters to existing scenes, marking existing scenes which are not part of the screenplay, updating descriptions of existing scenes, and adding a prefix to all scene numbers. We now have the imported script with the changes made here as the second version of the script. That was how to re-import a script version into Yamdu. Stay tuned for more tutorials on specific Yamdu features.